Not too long ago, creating a credible digital presence came with serious friction. Business owners had to decide whether to invest countless hours learning complicated website builders or spend a large portion of their early budget on outside developers. In many cases, that technical hurdle stalled progress before an idea ever had the chance to grow. That situation has changed in a meaningful way. Today, fully functional and professional websites can be launched in under a minute without writing any code. In this video, we're taking a close look at B12, an AI-powered platform designed to take care of design, search optimization, and built-in client tools automatically. The most significant barrier to entry in web design is often the blank canvas problem. Conventional builders overwhelm users with a barrage of generic templates, leaving the business owner to struggle with margins and stock photo replacements.
B12 fundamentally reimagines this onboarding experience
that feels more like a conversation than a technical task. The process begins with an incredibly low ask, where all you have to do is give the system a single-line prompt about what you are trying to build. Whether you're a specialized consultant in Seattle or a boutique agency targeting local shops, the AI agent uses that brief context to begin organizing everything in the background immediately. This is not a randomized layout generator. It is actually pulling in industry-specific images, writing draft copy that makes sense for your niche, and structuring the pages so they flow logically for a visitor. The result is a full multi-page draft, including a homepage, an about section, and a contact page, ready for review in approximately 60 seconds. What previously required days of brainstorming, wireframing, and writing code is finished before you can even finish a cup of coffee. For the entrepreneur, this means the bones of the business are live and professional, without the typical technical headaches. A common critique of automated tools is the lack of long-term control, but with B12 you are not just stuck with whatever the AI gave you at the start. B12 addresses this by offering a dual-path editing interface that caters to both the hands-on manager and the hands-off executive. In the top left of the editor, users choose between Edit and AI Agent. The Edit path provides the traditional manual control required for fine-tuning elements by clicking and adjusting them manually. However, the strategic advantage lies in the AI Agent button, which opens a chat widget where you can literally talk to your website as if it were a person. Crucially, the AI is context-aware, meaning if you wish to update your navigation bar, you simply click that section and the chat widget immediately recognizes your focus. A simple request to make the buttons navy blue and change the font is executed in seconds, affecting only that one part of the site so you don't accidentally break the rest of your layout. Whether it's a small change or a total overhaul of the hero section's layout, the accuracy and speed feel like having a pro designer sitting right next to you. To further lower the barrier to entry, B12 has integrated directly into the OpenAI ecosystem by launching a tool called the Website Generator within the GPT store. This tool has become one of the most popular GPTs for business owners who already utilize the familiar ChatGPT interface in their daily workflows. This tool mirrors the main B12 interface's efficiency by allowing you to drop in a prompt describing your business vision to generate a link to a fully functional, professional-grade website. For solo founders and entrepreneurs looking to minimize initial costs and learning curves, this bridges the gap between a mental concept and a live digital storefront where they can immediately show off portfolios or take appointments. It represents a significant development in how small businesses get off the ground by moving from a conversation to a live digital presence instantly. In a business context, a website must do work for your business, and B12 transitions from a design tool to a complete business hub once the site is ready. Publishing is a straightforward process that allows for custom domain connection so your web address looks professional and matches your brand. The true value lies in the integrated suite of business tools that eliminate the need for a fragmented tech stack. Built-in payment and invoicing features allow you to send professional invoices and accept payments directly through the site. A native scheduling tool syncs with your availability, letting clients book meetings without manual calendar management. Integrated e-signature features simplify the process of getting contracts signed, while built-in email marketing tools allow you to manage newsletters and client updates from the same platform. Finally, the platform provides SEO assistance and monthly analytics reports to track visitor origin and site performance. A common misconception is that AI builders are only suited for professional services, like lawyers or accountants. In reality, the platform is being deployed across a diverse range of sectors, including local fitness trainers, creative photographers, tech startups, and nonprofits. Whether you're running a content-heavy blog, a membership site with gated content, or a simple landing page for a side hustle, the AI is flexible enough to handle it. While B12 offers a marketplace of human experts like designers and SEO pros for those who want an extra bit of polish, the reality is that the vast majority of users let the AI do the heavy lifting. The technology is built to scale, ensuring that whether you're a solo developer or running a growing agency, the platform doesn't feel like something you'll outgrow. Building a website should not be the most difficult part of starting a business. B12 proves that with the right AI integration, the technology can finally work for the entrepreneur rather than the other way around. It's a fast, intuitive, and comprehensive solution for anyone needing a professional presence without the stress of manual design or technical hurdles. If you've been delaying a project, we highly recommend giving their AI generator a try to see what it builds for you in 60 seconds. Check out the link in the description, start using it right away, and create your first website from just a single line prompt within a minute.